Hi Pirates, we have a new way for you to learn your child's bus route, what time the bus will pick them up, what time the bus will drop them off, and where your child will be picked up. Let's take a look at how it works. If you visit beltonschools.org and come down to the bus routes button, it will take you to our new program we're using called InfoFinder I. DS Bus Line syncs the information for your child's route here, so all you need to do is type in your child's address, zip code, and which school they attend, and click search. It will bring up a number of choices for you. Over here I can click stops, and it lets me know here that my child will be picked up at 7:13 a.m. They'll ride bus 3, and the stop is Scott Avenue and West Walnut Street. If I want to know what time my child's expected home, I can scan down to the fourth choice, and it tells me they should be home about 3:14, dropped off at the same stop, and still on bus 3. Easy. It doesn't get any easier than this. If you still have questions, that's what we have a button up here for you. Click questions, put in your name, phone number, and your email, anything you have specific questions about, and that will be directed to the bus company. You also notice the bus company's email address, or their phone number is right here, and you can reach out to them to have your questions answered as well. That's all there is to it. We're looking forward to seeing you at our open enrollment days, and we hope you have a great start to the school year.